name is Kelly Roberts of K-Simone Designs, and welcome. So happy you're here today. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be sharing with you how I'm going to do this art journal page. And I'm going to be featuring her red curly hair. I'll also do the background, her little outfit, and finish up her face. So you'll be seeing me kind of rotate between all the different areas. And this is going to be a page about love. I'll be using my watercolor set. As you can see, I've used a lot of it and given a lot of love here. Also, I'll probably be using this acrylic paint marker and my permanent black pen, this little skinny water pen, along with the other ones that I have here. And I'll be using this white marker to do the highlights on her face. So let's look at the curls. In a previous video, I shared with you how to make the curls in this particular style. So I really like this style for what I'm going to do today. They almost remind me of curly fries. So we're going to be doing this shape. There's a lot of different ways you can do curls. So in this video that I did a while back, I shared different types of curl patterns, just depending on the type of style you're going for. So in this style, for example, I did this pattern, but in today's we're going to use this pattern. So one thing I would do before you get started is just to practice. So we're going to be doing large shapes and smaller shapes. Yeah, so combined all the different stretched out types and different ones, they're going to help fill out the hair. So let's get into this fun video. It's all about love.